Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Motorkid. We've got a serious cold start here. I'm going to do a cold start on the rally lawnmower. I didn't expect there to be this much snow here at my dad's house. Look, he hasn't even been out here. All the snow's still here. I wonder if we can depend on our Briggs and Stratton today. Look how much snow there is. So, can you depend on your .5? I happen to think you can. So we're going to give it 4 primes today because of all the snow. Bit hard to press because it's a bit froze. Oh, that's a bit froze. Oh. Right. Everything's froze on here. Right, so we're going to try and start it now. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That is amazing. Oh, that is incredible. One pull and it's covered in snow. There's snow coming out the flywheel. I don't believe it. That's broke. Oh yeah. That was great. That was absolutely excellent. See you next time.